Your tripod will be delivered in 3 pieces, including the base, midsection, and the top portion, which will hold the iPad. Begin by inserting the top into the midsection and tightening up the pinch bolt to hold it in place, and then insert into the base of the tripod. Once assembled, open the base of the tripod by loosening the pinch bolt and gently spreading the legs of the tripod open, pushing down the top piece. Insert the iPad by opening the spring-loaded jaws, placing one edge in the clamp, and then setting the other end. Once set up, rotate the iPad to landscape position. We'll begin by placing the iPad behind the bike so that your fit specialist can see the angle of the cleats. And then once cleats on your shoes are set, you'll move the height of the iPad to approximately seat height. Your box will come with a Garmin clip as well as 4 bands that will hold the Garmin clip to the handlebar. Depending upon the size, you'll select either the large or the small bands, and then you can place the Garmin clip anywhere where it will not interfere with hand position. Hook one end of the band around the tab of the Garmin, go around the bar, and attach it to the opposite side of the mount. You'll repeat on the other clip side.